Hi, I'm Nick from Luminous Labs. In this quick video, we'll take a look at our 3D virtual tour product and how it can help visualize and sell spaces before they're built. Let's dive right in. The first thing we are going to want to do is import the floor plan into Blender and ensure the scale matches up. This set of floor plans is in millimeters, so we're going to want to drop in a cube and make sure the lengths line up. With the 3D model now to scale, we bring in the exterior doors and windows and start to block out the walls in the unit. From here, we like to get the reflected ceiling plan and flooring details as well. After that, we ask for any elevation documents, which will allow us to build out these areas in 3D as well. Once the elevations are complete, we apply material selections to areas such as the cabinets, countertops, and backsplash. We also add in appliances in the final kitchen and bathroom fixtures. At this point, clients can look through our large library of 3D models and furniture to pick out what they want to put in their unit. Once the furniture is selected, we then add the final lighting, a drone shot outside for reference, and the final camera locations for each one of the 360 cameras. After everything is complete, we render the images as 360 images and upload them to an online software called Kula. Once uploaded, we can add text, hotspots, and interactive elements so users can teleport to different locations and get a feel for the space. These links can be shared or embedded on websites and are available on all desktop and mobile devices. And just like that, you have a lightweight 360 virtual tour platform that can allow anyone to be able to view any unit at any time. For more information on these virtual units and how they work, feel free to fill out the contact form on our website at www.luminouslabs.ca.